this thing could also ask you what's the end behavior and what's the behavior around the asymptote. I should say vertical asymptote. So the end behavior we know is always going to be x goes to negative infinity and x goes to positive infinity. And then we'll have y goes somewhere. For the behavior around the asymptotes, a lot of times people ask, how many of these am I going to have? You're going to have 2 for each vertical asymptote. One for the left side of the vertical asymptote, one for the right side of the vertical asymptote. So it'll be x and x. In this case, we only have one vertical asymptote, so we're only going to have 2. One for the left side, so I'll write left here and right here. Now, in order to designate left or right, so first of all, our vertical asymptote here is what? X equals what? Negative 3. So I put in negative 3 for both of these. Now to designate whether or not it's left or right, if it's left, you're coming from the negative side, so you put a little negative up here. If it's right, you're coming from the positive side, so you put a little positive right here. This means left side because it's more negative. This means right side because it's more positive. So, the left side of this asymptote, where is the graph going? See, this is the left side. Where's the graph going, up or down? Up. On the left side, it's going up. So I write positive infinity. On the right side, the graph is going where? On the right side here of this line, where's the graph going, up or down? Down. So I write negative infinity. And for these are always going to have a number. Most of the time. As x goes to negative infinity here, where is this graph? What is this number is this graph approaching? What's this asymptote here? 1. It's approaching 1 for both of these. If it's above the line, it's 1 plus. If it's below the line, so it's coming from below the line, it's 1